Okay. So we saw yesterday so far. We had the about us, contact us, and shopping zone. We had this numbers. When we add, we will getting this numbers. Today we will do one thing. When I click on this number, I want to have a small pop-up. We call it as overlay in the screen showing the 8 values. So we will see. So today we will learn how to bring in a model dialog box. For that, in the Angular material, we have a dialog. I'll first show the example on how it will be, and you'll get an idea what
we are going to try to.
Yeah, I'll show you now. I'll show you what we are going to do, so you'll get an example. This is what you're going to bring in a pop-up. We have like open dialog button click. A pop-up is coming. This is called a pop-up or a model window. So what we are going to do here, when I click this 8, this icon, I will be bringing in a window like this, and I will be listing out all the 8 values.
Okay, list of orders.
Yes. And this is displayed as a pop-up, meaning it is not a new page. This is a page, correct? It is showing here. This is a page which is showing here. This is a page which is showing here. But what we will be doing is, if you see here, this is a small alert window. We call it as a pop-up or a model dialog box.
Okay.
A model dialog where we will be displaying the values here. So we have different models provided by the Angular material. So if I type in here Rajesh and I click on pick one, see here the value is passed from the parent component to a pop-up component. This is a model dialog component. So we will be achieving this today. So as usual, first where should I import this? This is in the menu. Menu is in the app module. So I have to do this import, but we are maintaining all the material import in a common module. So we are maintaining the materials here. App, app, not app module. We have a material, shared material module. So I will be importing the mat dialog module here. And then I have to import this here also. So one section is over. Now, when I click this, here it's, when I click this one, the icon one, I want to bring in a pop-up, a small window I want to display. So we have to create a new component for that. I will be creating the component as orders pop-up. So I'll go to command prompt nggc orders dialog. We call it as a dialog.
Just we have menu component. We have like 3 components you told before, right? Menu,
about us, contact us, and shopping zone.
Okay,
we have
these are
4
all
components.
okay. 4 components.
Now 5th component is added. Now the 5th component will be added into the app module by default. App module. Where is app? The orders dialog box is added here. The entry is given in the declaration, which means this new component which we are creating is registered with the app module. Yesterday we created one more module, shopping zone module. So, but this is registered with the app module. That is fine. Now we go to the documentation, what it says. To use a dialog box like this, I'll go to the last example where I give the name and I click on pick one. A small window is coming. So what they are doing, in the button click open dialog, there is a method. So I'll go here. Where is the method? Open dialog, here it is. So I will copy this method. I'll come to the code, menu component click. In the menu component only the dialog is here. So here I will write my click event. Click equal to open orders dialog, and I'll go to the menu component. I will paste in the TS file and I will rename as open orders dialog. Now I get some error, this dot dialog. So I go to the documentation. They tell that this dot dialog is injected in the constructor. So I will copy this code as well. I'll come to the constructor. We have one entry. I'll do a comma and I'll paste this entry. Next, it is throwing error in mat dialog. These are all okay. We'll come back. So I need to import. So import mat dialog from material dialog. So I'll give here. So this error is gone now. That's good. Now here, in this is the page. If you see this code, this dot dialog dot open means we are opening a window. So what I want to open, I want to open the newly created component, orders dialog. So I will give this here. I'll give this here, and I can pass values into that name. So instead of that, I will pass the order list. I will pass as order list colon. What is the order list? The order list is here, the menu array which we already have it. We pass the order list here, and I'll come back to this code later. So since we are using the order dialog component, I have to import it. App module app dialog component. I will be in this. I can close it. I can close it for now. I can close this also for now. So here I will be importing that component. Orders dialog is in. I have to come out of menu. So dot slash go into the orders dialog. So all errors are gone now. Okay, let me see if anything else is there. In this, they have given only dialog.open. That's all. They have not given anything else. Next, if we go here, let me see if the program is working. Okay, there is no error. If I click, what is happening? Order dialog works. Already we got the box. See here, when I click here, the new component is opening as a window. This is a pop-up. You can see the difference, right? It is an overlay. It is not replacing the background. But if I click contact, it is replacing the shopping zone. If I click about us, it is replacing the contact. Whatever is the previous page, it is replacing because this is through router. But this one, we are not affecting the router. We are calling through a pop-up. Now I have the values. I have to print the values here. For that, you go to the documentation. Here, in the documentation, this is the pop-up page.
That values where we want to print out values.
In the small pop-up window. Here,
okay.
I want to, yeah, if there are like 6 items in this window, I want to show what are the 6 items you have added to the cart.
Okay.
Which is there in the array. Which is already there in the array. We have it. We just need to pass it to the pop-up page and print in the pop-up page.
Okay.
And yeah, so for receiving that value, we need to give this. In the pop-up. Here is our pop-up. This is the pop-up. The constructor, I have to give this. And instead of this, I have to give the page. These are all syntax. Now mat dialog reference and dialog data. I have to import. Where is the import? Here it is. The same import. Dialog data. Okay, no need the dialog data. I'll do as many.
There we got extra EX when we are importing.
Ah,
The
yes.
fourth line. The
Yeah.
fourth line.
Okay. Now what we are doing from this page, when I'm clicking on the pop-up component and when it is opening, I am passing the order list into the data, which means I'm passing the value. This dot, I'm passing it as a order list name. So here, if I go data dot order list, I will get that value. Console.log. Hi Ganesh, just now seeing that you joined. I didn't notice, sorry.
Okay, Rajesh. Good evening.
So if I go here and click, let me see if the data is coming up. Order dialog TS line number 13. The data, we got the data.
Rajesh, sometimes you are seeing console, sometimes you are seeing network. No,
When I give console.log, I will see the console tab.
that means what are the outputs getting from the console? That's
Yes,
what you are seeing.
here. If I want to see the performance or if I want to explain some concepts, if I want to see whether some image is loaded, I will see here.
Okay.
If I want to view the page, I'll go to the element tab. If I want to see this page, so this is the page. You see the mouse, when I move it in the bottom,
Okay.
it will select.
Okay.
So
What
this,
are the code it's going to?
yeah, this is the code. I see that the width is 250. If I increase 250, see the width is increasing. So I will check like, okay, I need this much. Okay, it is 461. And I go to the code. Here it is actually 250. I change to 461. This is like a prototype. I can use that these tool to change the page and see how it is working.
Okay.
Yeah. So we got the data in the pop-up. All we need to do is now print the data. So I'll go to the now menu component is done. I can ignore it. In the orders component where it is telling orders works, I will go do ng for I have to assign it to an array here. Order list any. This dot order list equal to. So temporarily I'm assigning to a variable. This variable will be accessible inside the HTML. I will use it. I will iterate it and I will start printing the values, which is item dot item name. All right, let's see if it is working. I give here. There should be some error. Yeah, it is because of the 0th element. So let's resolve that first. Yesterday I said that there is some coding issue because of that. So if you see that already there is a 1 added here, but it should be 0, correct? When the page is loading first, we don't have anything added in the cart. But why is it showing 1? Let's go and see that first. So from where it is coming? It is coming from the total items in cart and menu dot length. If I go to this menu, it is empty. Okay, if I remove this, what will happen? Let me see. No. This is where I'm first. Okay, let me see here. Result. Console.log result. I want to see whether it's the first time when the menu is initializing whether I'm getting a result or not. Menu component 22. So that is the culprit. So this guy is only causing that empty element to come. Side menu. Let me confirm once again. So see here it is coming inside menu and result is empty and it is adding an empty in that array. So here we will do one null check. So for these null checks, we will use the common service which we have. I will create a method as public check for null. Input object will come. It can be of type any. If input object, okay, if input object equal to check null. If it is null or input object equal to undefined, then return false. If it is returning false, then which means it is null. Else return true. So if I call this method and if it is returning me boolean, the method return type is boolean, check for null. So if I call this methods from anywhere, so let me call this from here. For this, I should have where it is here. So I should have the common service injected. I have the access to common service. Before adding to the array, I will do a null check. So this dot common service dot check for null. I will check first pass the object, whatever I'm getting to that check for null method. If that object is not null, if it is true, then it will be returned true. When it is not equal to null or when it is not equal to undefined. Only if it is not equal to null and not equal to undefined. So if only then I will be adding it to the, since it's only one line of code, I don't need to do a brace. Now let me see. Initially it should be 0. No, still it is not 0. So what else is happening? From where this is getting thrown from here? Where is the subject? Behavior subject, anything of, oh, okay. So I will check. I will try to print console.log result.action because here we are in the subject. What we will be sending action and a value. So I will check the action first, what it is coming. Undefined, super. So all I have to do is I have to check this action here. If action, if it is undefined, super, we got a 0 here. So now first element is not there, we have skipped it. If I go to the space and I start adding, I go here, we got everything. It's working perfectly. We got strawberry, I hit orange, carrot, strawberry, apple. You can see here, this is working beautifully. So we'll give some label to this dialog. I can add a H1 tag. Your items in your order are. Line break. We go here. Items in your order are. When I click outside, it is automatically going to close. Okay. Now, any questions so far?
Trying to digest Rajesh here everything. That code.
I'll repeat once again. Anything?
Because I can understand the concept, but the code where we are keeping and where we are changing.
Yes.
Because it will come like with a lot of practice.
Yeah.
You can see.
So what I have done is first today we created a component, orders dialog component using NGGC, and in the menu component I added a click.
Okay.
This icon click. So I am writing a method in the menu component for icon click. I copied from the documentation, and I am giving the newly created component as a dialog. So whatever we give here, that will be opening as a new window. This is a new window. When I click whatever.
The logic, everything we are going to return in .ts, right?
Yeah, no, it is mix up. It is mixing both in TS and HTML.
How we can come to know, Rajesh? We have to write in HTML, we have to write in .ts.
Anything for display you write in HTML, or other logic you have to write in TS.
Okay.
Like click functions and all in TS only.
Click functions. Okay.
Other than display, everything in TS. This is a display, right?
Yeah, just the word to display, we are going to use in HTML.
HTML.
The logic.
Everything in TS.
Okay.
So I create a function. I call the dialog.open. I pass the new component here. I give a width. I pass the data, the array which we have yesterday. This array as an order list. That's all. Now in the dialog, the new component, we receive that array in the constructor at inject. This is the syntax. We receive that array in the data. So data.order list is this one. I am assigning to a temporary variable. From the variable, I am iterating and printing. That's all. It's straightforward.
Rajesh, from menu component.ts, we went to order component.ts, right? Why we?
No, the menu, yeah, the menu. We are calling the open.
Okay.
This will open up this component as a new window dialog. Dialog first. What is dialog? Dialog means a new window. This is called a dialog.
Okay.
In UI terminology, dialog pop-up means a new window. This is a dialog.
Okay.
So when I tell this dot dialog dot open, meaning we are telling you open this page as a dialog component here when the button is clicked.
Okay.
So it will open.
Okay. Then we are going to write in that order dialog component.ts, whatever we want the logic.
Yeah, I will from here I'm passing the array.
Mhm.
Here I will receive that array and I will keep it in a temporary variable. From here it will go to the HTML. In HTML I just use a ng for and iterate it.
So, for me here clear, Rajesh, and before that we imported something, right?
That is a standard
Yeah.
import. When we are trying to use any new component in the Angular material, first we will go to API, we will import
Okay.
this. The app-
This one we are
app
going.
module.
Okay, we are going to import an app module,
App
and
module.
then the next
And
step.
then we go to the example, whichever you want. I took this one. So I took the TS code of it. I started using this function.
This is open dialog, and we are going to write in yes.
TS.
Okay.
Ganesh, maybe once
Yeah,
you
Rajesh.
have a hands-on, you will understand. You have to
Yes.
because
Now, what I came to Rajesh, it's keep on trying, keep on practicing.
you have to
Yeah,
Yes.
it will improve.
It will definitely. You should not get demotivated in the first attempt. Definitely, yeah.
Keep on pushing ourselves as hard as
Yes,
possible.
yes. You know, I'll tell you one crazy thing. When I was as a fresher, I was from a non-IT department and EEE department, and when I went for Java training in iGate, I went to iGate, and it was very strict. I think like they used to send out if the train we don't perform good in training, they used to send out. So people frightened that we have to do well, otherwise we will be sent out. When I went there, I didn't know anything. I didn't know anything about Java. Day one, they started the OOPS concept. They started something they used to teach. I don't know, but I just developed friends from the Pondicherry, and we used to stay in Chennai Gindi stick building, and you know what what I did? I used to go 4:30 a.m. and wake up the security. That I didn't have a system or laptop. I was from a very low middle class family where even I have to earn for the next what is it? Yeah, next day. Such a situation, my father quit his central government job just to make me study in engineering. He using the VRS payment only. He paid my fees. So when I was in college itself, he retired. He got VRS. Now I am. I think like with what confidence did he retire? Because that was the only source of income for us.
Oh, that means for to study in the college, just given the before retirement to get money, right?
To get money.
That means
Correct.
voluntary retirement. Okay.
Correct. VRS, voluntary retirement scheme. So if we retire earlier, they'll give some extra money.
It's not extra money. The money what we are going to get, they'll give before.
They'll give some extra. Some extra will. Yeah. He got some extra money than what he will get in retirement. Okay. Because it is an additional benefit, right? One employee is going for them, so they'll not give too much of money, but just some money they'll give. Like,
but we'll get money in a huge, right? Yeah. It will be useful. Before.
Yeah. So he gave VRS, and when he gave VRS for making me study engineering, I was crying I still remember, like, just in 2 days in my life, I was crying a lot. One was when I didn't get an engineering seat. He came and said me, "Don't worry, I am there. I'll take care." The second was when I saw my father in ICU with his head and face, everything totally covered with bandage after his operation. He had a brain tumor. So, okay, leaving that, since I was in that stage now, only thing I consider myself, which I have a positive is I never give up. It can take 10 years, it can take 20 years, it can take 30 years, but I never give up. That is one of the gifted thing which I love in myself, and I admire and thank God for that. Because uh, even after 20 years, I have achieved many things which I wanted to do in my childhood. I just put that thought in my inside myself, and I used to have the same fire every day. After 20 years, I achieve it the same way. Even now I'm doing a lot of things which people may think that I'm okay, I'm doing this many things, but they never see what is the path which I have traveled, how much I have cried, how much I have sacrificed, or how much I have lost. They don't see all this. Okay, he's having this much, he's doing these things, but how much we sacrifice, or how much we have done to come into this position, people don't understand really. Okay, the funny part is why I wanted to bring this was,
Mhm.
um, I used to go, I knew that I know nothing about Java, Oracle. They started one day, 1 week was over, but what was in my mind was, no problem, I can learn stuff. I used to go 4:30 a.m. in December month. I used to go 4:30 a.m., wake up the security. Please open the door. I want to practice. I'll go inside. I'll be the only person practicing from 4:30 to 7:30. It is like studying from first standard to fifth standard. So first week, I started reading what is computer, what is Java, why it is there. All those things. It's all self-study. I started learning. Second week, I got promoted myself. I was able to understand. Third week, I was able to understand the class a bit slightly. Then fourth and fifth week, I was equal with the class. And sixth and seventh week, when the training was about to be over, I was comfortable in the training. And I used to work till 12:30. 12:30 a.m. I used to come out, close the door, and give the key to the security and come. Okay, the one of the funny thing is one teacher whose name is Priya. She was the one who handled Java for me. She came and she said to everyone, just the first Java class we are having. She asked who are all non-IT. We said, okay, I'm non-IT, all those things. Then she said, okay, I'll tell you one thing. You go daily, you write in your notebook that I will learn Java. 10 times you write in your notebook. You see that, you sleep. I believe that exactly. I am, that is one of my strength also. I don't, I don't think take things. People like few times they'll take it lightly, right? Oh my God, what this guy, crazy guy is telling, what this will do, and they'll go away, right? I followed her words. I took notes every day, night. I wrote like I will learn Java. 10 times I used to write. I used to see that, close it and keep it. I followed this. Slowly, I started understanding what is Java. After training, I completed as an average student only. I didn't do well, but many were there who were excelled in the training. But after Java, the real thing started. After Java, when I went into the project, I was very fast in grasping the projects. Luckily I got many nice leads who taught me how to learn, and many leads who taught me how not to learn, how not to be, how not to behave. Few people taught me how not to behave, how not to be like a manager. Many taught me how to be like a manager. So I learned everything so fast in the project that just in 3 months of fresher, I just entered, and 3 months. February I entered after training. March I went into the project. April, May, June, July, they proposed to me for a deputation to Hyderabad to lead a 5-member team who are having experience of more than 4 years. People would not even believe now. It is very hard to believe. I don't know how. Luckily, I got chance from like God's grace. Three months training. I'm a 3 months trainee. I was teaching 4+ years experienced person in Hyderabad as a deputation. I was staying in Banjara Hills. I was teaching them. The only reason is my first lead, he said me when I went into the project, he said me, you don't bother about Java. Don't bother about JavaScript. Whatever technology, don't. You focus on DB. If you master the DB, if you understand the, if you, let's say you are seeing this screen, right? You see
Mhm.
orange, apple, strawberry, and carrot. You see title, orange, apple, strawberry, and there is what all you can see. You can see one title. Below that, there is one more small text. I don't know. I'm not able to see that, but there is an image. Below that, there is an orange, and there is a cart. Add to cart. Your brain should immediately convert this to a table and see, okay, which data will come from which table, image, where it will come. When I click on add to cart, how these are going to be. If you can, if you, when whatever screen you are seeing, you should, if you are able to immediately convert it into a table, the project is yours. This is what he said me the first mantra, and I followed blindly. I followed. I day night I sat. It was nearly 200 tables in a project. I mastered the table. You ask me anything, any column. You show me a screen. I'll tell you within a second. This screen goes to this table. The screen comes from this table. So this data, this is coming from this table, this column. You go and check. To that level, I mastered. That is why they moved me to the deputation. So what I say is sometimes in life you have to be like you have to just like that take it crazy, just follow crazy things like I did. So even if you don't understand, the only thing is you have to practice. You should be very disciplined to yourself. You should be stick to yourself. We tend to get leisure and we just keep on our way, which I also do now. But I tend to be disciplined to myself that no, I have to do means I have to do this. So that's a that with learning you will definitely get it. Not an
Yeah,
just
Rajesh, your teacher told you, right, that write Java 10 times.
yeah.
It's like, it's a real truth. It's a law of attraction. I think, do you know about that one? I'm not sure. Do you heard that one, law of attraction?
Yeah, it's like yeah, I have heard it.
It's, I think the guy name I forgot. It's a philosophy. Um, if you want to, it's truth. There is a book. There is a book on that also, law of attraction.
Hmm.
Yeah,
But
I
now
forgot the
nowadays I
name.
experience that when I want something, I close my eyes and I speak with the universe and I ask and I get it. When we truly ask without like cheating someone or having any bad thoughts, like okay, I want to be in this thing, then automatically we will be forced, we will be disciplined and we will be working towards it and we will definitely get it. Anyways.
Rajesh, for me, in the project, just, almost I can able to just handle the clients. I'm good with that. And the main problem here is, the technical things, it's getting, very, uh, because for you guys, someone is there to teach. Teach means the back end in our
Hey,
home country.
no.
No, it's not like
I
that.
was no for me. I am a self-made man. No one taught me. It whatever you hear from me or you whatever I speak, everything is what I learned. Even I said right when I started learning Java, the session itself was over. My training was over when I started. So everything I started learning myself. Whatever you hear from me is purely from myself. I
Okay.
I don't. I've never gone to a guru or any teacher for learning by that means.
Okay. But
But
at least you have that environment, right?
yeah, that we have.
Yeah, that environment, at least, like, for me, to be honest, just I am searching someone to teach all the things. It's not that much easy for one guy to uh, to show the whole picture by himself, with on one uh, on one picture. That's what means. Some guys they know SQL, some guys they know Java, some guys they know something, but a whole
Right.
pitch, yeah, there will be a lot of mismatching here.
Hmm.
I'm still, before just, just I'm finding someone, just finding means just thinking where it is getting interlinked and how it will be, how it will be. Now, just day by day, I'm getting a little bit improved. Yesterday also we have like some Golan. I told you, right, we are moving stuff from my
Yeah.
to. Yeah, we had Golan and we are using this Visual Studio Code. And
Oh, so
before
you're using Golang?
yeah, Golan.
Okay, super. I started
Golang.
posting video series on Golang.
Yeah, just I saw the videos that Golan
That's
fixed up.
one, only one. And I'm more into
Yeah.
Svelte nowadays. Once I finish that, I'll go to Golang.
I'm not good in Golang. Just some guys are just telling just you have to replace this one and that one, this one, the resource, the headers, just you have to change. Just I'm changing. And before I'm not good in Visual Studio, before I'm not good in Sublime Editor, because before these classes I don't know anything. And after that, just yesterday, I'm a little bit confident on this, and it's it keeps on moving. That's it.
Yes,
But
that is nice. That's
yeah,
nice to
but it will take a lot of time. And
yes. You have to give time for you to mature. It will take just like give it a year, but
yeah,
don't reduce the pace. Just follow the pace and give it a year. You will definitely see yourself in a great position after a year. Slow. That is what when I learned, right. That's what I tell to all the freshers. Don't see the salary for first 3 years. Even if you get 6,000 or 7,000, you know what I thought was when I went to the as a first company, I thought like, hey, sorry guys, if this is something away from the topic, Arul and Ganesh, just we are going this way. I'll come back to the Angular.
Okay, sir.
Just bear with me. I thought like this will help you also. So what I was telling, I forgot.
regarding the salary, just
Yes. I used to tell when I went right what I thought. Okay, someone is giving me AC room for free, and he is giving me computer for reading. He is giving me internet, and he is paying me for my food. What else do I need? That is enough, and I can like 3,000 to 4,000. Hardly what I was getting around 10,000. That's all, and. That is enough for reading, right? So what I used to do is for 2 years I said to myself, don't think about salary. At the end of second year, there should be nothing which you don't know. Everything you should be working, every nook and corner you should be able to understand. By God's grace, it happened. I was marked as a firefighter in the project, meaning they'll put me in the project when the project is in crisis. They'll pull me out when the project is out of crisis. So I don't have time to learn the technology. That is how I learned all the technologies. When in the peak crisis, they'll put me in and tell, "Hey, this is in crisis. Please bring it out and you come out." So within that short time, I have to learn the DB, the coding, what mess the previous guy has made, what is the project is on. Then I have to clean up the mess, come out again. So I have not seen any project go delivery. I have not seen a project getting started. All I've done is gone in the middle, removed the crisis and come back. So that is one of the good thing which helped me learn a lot of things. So what I'll tell is don't uh, focus focus on salary. And to the freshers, I'll tell usually just give 2 years to yourself. As long as you have some like a company, a salary going on, an internet and a free system, just utilize it and ensure to learn a lot as much as you can. That's what I will be suggesting. So in your case, I'll tell like 1 year, don't focus. Just slowly you write yourself what all I have learned. Take a note and write just the topic every day. Just add the topic alone to that. After 6 months, 1 year, you'll see, okay, I've got this much of topic. Then you can start revising. It will help you a lot somewhere. Okay, so coming to this, I will send you the code. Can you just try to try to replace and run this program. Arul, I have not seen your program or screen yet. Maybe someday you have to start sharing.
Oh, tomorrow, sir.
Okay. No problem.
The voice problems.
Yes, yes, yes. Sir.
Oh,
When I heard Arul voice, I will remember the Chennai days when Arul, you are in a +2 or in a bachelor's?
bachelor's. I am being
Bachelor's.
completed.
Being completed the same thing. When I just when I heard your voice, I will remember my Chennai days when I am in bachelor's. The same thing. I will go to just I went to one institute in Kottivakam. I think now it's there or not. It's NIIT.
Kottivakam is there.
Yeah, I think it's there or not. Just they will call the guys on weekends, and I will go. Those guys they will tell me how to do that one, this one. But I am not sure what to do. Just I will go. They will conduct just exams. I fail everything, and I went for I think 6 months. Just and it's very hard. And then I left. It's like because usually I live in Kovalam, and all weekends have to come back. Only weekends is classes, just like 2 hours, and it's made me a little bit hard. And I thought, okay, because this is not the time you will learn in future. Just I left and came back.
Okay.
Okay. So I
But
shared,
bachelor's, Arul,
yeah,
Yes,
he is bachelor.
bachelor's in computers.
Yes.
Okay.
Ganesh, what about you?
He told me he's from mechanical.
Mechanic.
Ganesh.
Yeah. I remember. Correct.
I am from mechanical background right now. I'm a family man.
You have kids, Ganesh?
No, Rajesh.
Okay. So yet to.
Yeah.
That is nice. So wish you have a baby soon, and Jana also. Both
Thank
are in
you.
the same. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
I'm good, Rajesh, but the thing, when I came to States, like you, one guy, his name is Warhan, he's from Turkey. He became a friend. He know everything except this computer knowledge. Computer knowledge is programming knowledge. Everything outside. I learned everything outside. If you give me any business, I will, if it is like in very crisis also, I will try to help that business to come in the correct state. Just
Nice.
yeah, we have like almost 25 shopping carts. Shopping carts means if you go to any shopping mall, you will see like small carts in the middle of the shopping malls, right?
Yes, I remember.
We will see, in our home language we can say like kiosk.
Yeah.
Kiosk. We have like almost 30 kiosks almost in 3 states. I am the manager for that, and we have like almost 20 employees. Just we are almost, we did some 1.5 years some just selling that kids toys, that one and this one. I came to know how the business works in in United States. One day we got one big loss, and I came, because I came here and I want to survive. That's the reason. Just I went somewhere, just I asked, I want to do some work for the survival. Just he came to know I am just a hardworking person. Then I came to know how the business work and everything. One day the time came, I have to quit this guy because this is not my life. I have to learn programming and this one and that one and this one, because my master's is done. In that master's, just I'm focusing on my food. My parents are sending, but the thing here, all the people, they will learn by themselves, just by doing their works. And then I quit, and I learned how to drive all the cars, trucks. I usually drive truck along almost 2 days without sleep. I can drive from New York to California continuously. I can drive.
Oh man.
that much capability I have. Yeah. And then because we used to get a lot of loads, and just we have to split the loads in all the states. And then just I'm trying to find a guy, because he have a lot of circles and he have a lot of connections. I told him one day I want to learn this one. Do you have any guy to teach? And this one, he told Jana, I know, but those guys are not that much good, good in these things. And then just I'm still finding, and then I came to this computers background, and I got job and still working. And I told to my employer, just I want guidance, this one. They helped me, and then technically I'm keep on improving. And one day you came to teach the classes. Then I came to know. Thank God, at least I have one guy just to teach the overall concepts. Just I will get the recorded sections, and in future, just I will get any reference. And just it's now I have a hope. Okay, I can learn and I can survive in this field.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Great,
before
great.
just it's like dumb.
Understood.
It's like dumb. Because yeah, and one more thing, in my back home we have agriculture fields. My dad and mom, they are farmers. My dad is a bus conductor, and we have farms. We have lemon, mango, and paddy. My dad, just you can come back, you can see these fields and that one, this one, because I can see those one day. Anyway, I have to go there and I have to see. But the thing, at least my interest, at least I have to do some this technology stuff. Because I studied, right? If I don't have any study, my mind won't say go to technology. Because I studied, it's telling just to do some technology background, just to do some technology work. To do that one, just I need some concepts and some knowledge, right?
Right.
Yeah, it's like that.
Good. That is good. My end goal is to go into spiritual side. So I got some like few offers for other companies, but I said I'm not planning into go into a full-time working mode. So, but I can help you with consulting or help you with the training, all these things.
Because Rajesh, you got that everything in the technology from 0% to 100%. You ate everything, and you got that sweetness and the bitter, and you got everything. And that means you you swam like anything. Now it is like, yeah, just I have to move it, the new one. Like that, right?
Correct, exactly. It's saturated. I quit
Saturated,
the job.
yeah, exactly. I didn't get the word saturated, just you told it's saturated.
I quit the full-time job. Now I got like 2 to 3 offers asking for full-time. I said, no guys, I am not interested in full-time job anymore. You give me part-time, you ask for consulting, you tell like how to, I'll give you technical suggestions, I'll give you training, I'll help your guys, I'll mold everything I can do, but I cannot work full-time. Because my next goal is to go into something spiritual. I am I am learning
The same thing for me also, right? In that business and in that driving everything. Just I got saturated like anything, because he's telling just you can be here with me, just we can do some crazy stuff, because my mind is telling you have to be in some technology.
Right.
The same thing for you, like that.
Yes, correct. So it's good if you follow what your mind says. So
Yeah.
let's see how long this will go. Maybe few years I'll take, and then I may switch. I'm more interested.
But when you switch also, I will be in contact with you, Rajesh. At least once in a week or twice in a week, I will get some stuff. Okay? Please don't tell. No, now I am not going to take any classes. At least 1 hour in a week or 2 hours in a week, I will contact you in this stuff. Please help me. No, I don't want to, feed
Definitely,
your
I
hands.
wish. Yeah, definitely, I wish that God gives me those knowledge even during that time to help you out.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah. Whatever I know, whatever I can, definitely. I hope. I really wish God gives me that. Let's
But
see.
the thing, it's not easy, Rajesh, to get all this stuff in one hand, and just whatever the thing, It's like, but you are saturated and now it's not, our mind is not willing to do this stuff.
I'm not, I can read even now. I read, see, I'm learning, you know. This is my crazy. I started from first standard.
Okay.
I'm learning the books of Sanskrit from class 1. Okay, all the units I'm learning. I finished class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now I'm class 6.
Okay.
So let's see. It's saturated. I cannot go into
Yeah,
full-time.
I totally understand, Rajesh, because if you are saturated, and finally, if you are getting like crores also, our mind, no.
Exactly, because see, my money is not my goal now. Money is
Yeah.
not. That doesn't mean that I have lots
That
of
much,
wealth,
yeah.
but I
Yeah.
believe that God gives me whatever I need at the right time. I
Yeah.
strongly believe in that. So I don't run behind money. So I don't want to go to. But instead, I want to use myself in helping people. I want to do as a charity, do as a service, to help many people, the upcoming generation, to learn a lot. So those values are missed now. We are in a money oriented society where nothing is, even if I want to speak to you, people are charging. Like, okay, I'm going to spend 1 hour, give me $50. That is how we are, but that is not the original value of the Indian tradition. I just want to go in something crazy, but let's see. I don't know where I am
Yeah,
going.
Rajesh, I know. Yeah.
We'll see. Okay, I
But
think
just I don't leave your hands, Rajesh. Like my like my turkey friend. Yeah, it's true. Because to be honest, I don't have anyone. Just in this technology, in any emergency conditions, emergency situations, just
yeah. You can call me anytime. You
yeah,
can
just
call
I will
me.
call
You
me
can ask
and
any
I
doubts.
will ask, because the
You are always
thing
free to
my
talk.
mind is telling, learn. Just you got one guy, just learn from him. Just get the stuff, whatever you want. Just ask me. Every day it's keep on telling like that, from day one onwards.
Mhm.
Yeah, it's like that.
Nice. Yeah, I'll help you. Whatever I can, definitely I'll share you.
Yeah, sure.
That is why I'm here, to just give it without hiding. I'll give you everything. Whatever I can, I'll share the knowledge.
It's not that much easy, Rajesh. Most of the people, they are not transparent. They're sharing their
You know
knowledge.
the reason why I am transparent, because I don't want to be in this field. What will I gain by hiding? See, that is the truth. If I want to become a very big person, I might hide. Okay, I should not tell to Jana,
Yeah,
because
yeah,
he will know this concept. Only in the world I
yeah,
should know this concept.
yeah.
Array, I am going to quit this also, and I'm going to different field. This is not even my field. So what am I going by keeping? I mean, hiding something, correct? That is
Yeah.
a fact. That is why whatever I can, I am telling you.
Out of 1,000, maybe two or three. No, two or three also. I didn't see here like transparent, Rajesh. Just it's like just they will almost
So,
like
yeah, because now when they reach the saturation, you'll find, if you
yeah,
really come
yeah,
across a
yeah.
saturated people,
Saturation.
they
Yeah,
will share the knowledge, because they know that it is not of any use for them. Now I know that I
I think now
Angular.
we can stop recording, Rajesh. These things, just
Oh,
it's
is it
like
recording still?
yeah, yeah.
Oh my